Dr. Jasmine Gorton provides the San Francisco Bay Area with high-quality, innovative orthodontics. Light scanners, 3D printers, 3D X-ray, and cloud-based computers combine with the doctor's extensive knowledge to provide patients with unparalleled results. Dr. Gorton first achieved top 1% provider recognition from Invisalign in 2006 and is committed to mastering orthodontic methods including expanders, Invisalign, and Damon Clear braces.
We're Gorton Schmohl Orthodontics in Marin County, California. We're located in Larkspur, and we have 3 doctors working interchangeably on all the patients together. We're known for being a very progressive orthodontic office in that we do everything that's available in modern orthodontics. If there's Invisalign, that's something we've adopted in 1999. So we have long experience with this, and we're now very proficient at it. We also do, of course, traditional braces, expanders, and more modern techniques such as scans instead of impressions, so no goopy molds in your mouth. We have an interesting approach to consultations that we will take whatever time it takes with a doctor to make sure that we have an efficient and very customized treatment plan for the patient. And if we come up with a plan that's going to be the best for them, they're going to have a better experience.
I think my teeth look much better. They're really nice and they're very good orthodontist.
They help you when you don't have a good smile. They're loving and they have an awesome prize box after.
I would definitely recommend Dr. Gorton. The office is great, the support staff is wonderful. It was a wonderful experience.
At Gorton Schmohl Orthodontics, we want you to leave with a wow smile that looks amazing, but also a very healthy, functional bite, and we want it to be a good experience for you in the process.